after you're through, I'll demonstrate how easy it is to roll up the game and put it away, typically in less than 2 minutes. You take your situation cards, put them back in the bag with your offensive players. Hitting cards with your pitcher, catcher, and the baseball. Seal them up. Remaining cards, position, fielding, throwing, base running with the position players. Seal them up. I turn it over because I find that it goes in the bag better with the printed side out. Tuck them in there nice and neat. Roll them up tight. And insert it in your bag. Drawstring, voila. Your baseball IQ is in the bag. AlwaysThinkBaseball.com, Flashcard board game. Get your baseball IQ at AlwaysThinkBaseball.com.